Welcome to Printer Fix Support, your one-stop destination for printer solutions, troubleshooting tips, setup guides, and maintenance tutorials.
How to print from iPhone to HP printer, complete guide. Welcome viewers and introduce the topic. Explain that many HP printers support printing from iPhone using AirPrint or the HP Smart app. Mention that the video covers both wireless and non-wireless setups. iPhone running iOS 10 or later. HP printer, AirPrint-enabled or HP Smart compatible. Stable Wi-Fi network. Printer powered on and connected to the same network as the iPhone. Optional HP Smart app installed. For more information, visit printerfix.support. Call us +1 877 595 9194 +44 736 159 5441.